we have our very own team from INSEAD, Pulse.AI.
Good evening, everyone. We are excited to present to you Pulse.AI, a smart marketplace for influencers and brands designed to optimize value for both the parties to get the maximum return from their campaigns. Before we jump into the product, let me introduce to you our team and our board of advisors. I am Barkavi Mageshkumaar. I have experience working in strategic consulting and leading my family business in hospitality, mining, and real estate.
I'm Yui. I have worked across consulting, technology, and crypto space. At ByteDance, I worked as a strategy manager, working closely with monetization and e-commerce teams.
In addition to us, we also have our board of advisors across various domains to fill in the gaps of information as we set out to develop this product. So my family owns a 4-star hotel in Chennai, and I've worked extensively with influencers, and each time has been a challenge. So let's hear a story and jump into the product.
Meet Barkavi, a business owner of Zone by the Park Hotel, preparing for the launch of her new staycation package. She knows influencers provide the best ROI but is puzzled by who to choose, what to pay them, and what to even ask of them. Meet Sophia, an influencer with great content and a growing fan base. She loves her job but faces some big challenges. Earning a steady income is hard. Finding regular business deals can be tricky, and good opportunities don't always come by easily. How can Sophia make her earnings more stable? And what can she do to keep growing and stay successful in the fast-paced world of influencer marketing? Discover Pulse.AI, the ultimate solution for your influencer marketing needs.
We're super excited to introduce Pulse.AI, the ultimate platform for brand managers to discover, strategize, and launch influencer campaigns with AI. Barkavi's journey starts here. Once she logs into our dashboard, she will arrive at the curation page and engage with our AI campaign strategists with free access to generate compelling strategies for her campaigns. Once she selects the ideal one to proceed and pre-charge her account, she'll be directed to the scouting page. Our AI assistant then will generate a detailed strategy plan for her campaign with selected influencer recommendations, the detailed timeline, and the recommended number of posts. She can also customize her strategy by adding or dropping the influencers by our shortlist below. So once she hit the clap button, she will then initiate conversations with all the selected influencers at once. For instance, with Sophia, Barkavi doesn't need to send 1,000 messages to negotiate. She can simply use our AI negotiator to create a price prediction by using our AI negotiation tool and create a personalized proposal. After they sign the contract, they will then collaborate together on the content generation storyboard. She can leave comments, change the script, and also approve Sophia's content here. After they launch the campaign, we provide a real-time data dashboard for her to track the deep dive data for her specific campaign. And also we provide a comprehensive data summary of all her past campaigns on the left side. Let's switch to Sophia's angle. So once Sophia logs into our account, she will then see the proposal from Zone Hotel pops up at the Opportunity Discover page. She can also filter other opportunities from other brands and pitch to other brands using her profile and her content. And then once she signed the contract with Barkavi, they can collaborate here at the storyboard, and then she can also track and compare her performance versus the industry average. We also provide a peer network map for her to collaborate with the peer influencers to create a future trend or to collaborate together for brand challenges. We offer a free AI persona tool for her to engage with for her followers. So for instance, she can run the tool to group all the similar comments and generate an automatic response. And at the end, she can track all her previous project completion and how much she has earned, all at one platform. So we empower the entire user journey using AI combined with recommendation algorithm and big data. We use ChatGPT as our base for LLM and LMM. At the same time, we start training our personalized AI model by using all the campaign data. So Pulse.AI is a transparent, low-cost, and convenient solution for everyone who wants to launch influencer campaigns. For influencers and brand managers, they can achieve 5 times faster time to value and save 150% cost and reach double data accuracy at the same time.
Okay, so we've seen the product. Let's look at the market. The global influencer marketing market is set to reach 45 billion in 2027 with a growth rate of 26%. And much of the growth is coming from APAC. This high potential market is in reality very fragmented. Most of the players operate at different ends of the value chain, target 1 or 2 users, or competing for the same market share in mature markets of America and Europe. APAC, however, the fragmentation is even more pronounced. Fewer market players competing for smaller shares. Just by looking at the investment activity, it's very evident that this niche is catching a lot of attention and APAC has a lot of potential. And Pulse.AI is poised to learn from the lessons of the mature players in America and Europe, become a keystone player, and drive value across the chain.
So we use B2B plus B2C model. From the B2B side, we use a credit-based model with 2 major revenue streams. First is performance-based. We charge 5% of commission fee based on CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impression. And we also charge 3 to 5% of platform service fee per campaign price based on the account size. We offer free solutions for influencers at year 1. Starting from year 2, we offer a premium plan at $29 per month. So looking into our unit economics, we benchmarked with the industry average campaign price of $600. We will start at assuming at 300 campaign price, and we will gradually increase that to 500 per campaign. So from the cost side, we can see that the major cost driver is actually backend development. And we plan to dilute this with scale at year 2. In general, we plan to break even at year 2, growing at 241% CAGR and reach 26 million of revenue at year 5.
At the end of the day, we are a platform business, and we understand that this success in this space is an exception and not a norm. So we've clearly identified our risks and have mitigated it through the business model. First risk, scalability risk. We will be onboarding influencers first, laying a foundation for future brand partnerships. We will be offering them AI tools like AI Persona to engage, content generation GPT to brainstorm, and dashboards to manage campaigns across different platforms. Governance risk is another major risk, and we will be conducting stringent background checks for brands and influencers before onboarding them. Platform dependencies is a known challenge, and we will be turning this into an advantage because of our dual platform strategy that offers us better bargaining power. We've already had conversations with TikTok and understand the implementation is a pretty straightforward process. Our go-to-market plan is structured across 4 phases, where we will be developing the product backed by user research and multiple rounds of feature and enhancement. The truth is in the numbers. We reached out to our circle of marketing managers and influencers in our network. We wanted to validate the problem and understand that and show them our product and ask them to sign up if they were interested. We understood that majority of the brands see potential in influencer marketing, but face challenge in measuring the return. Influencers, on the other hand, find it difficult to have a steady source of income. I reached out to my personal network in just my city, and 5 brands signed up for the waitlist. They represent a portfolio of 160 plus hotels in the country. We believe that Pulse.AI is not just filling a gap. It is trying to become a keystone player and drive value across the chain. And if you believe in the potential of our product, join us and let us transform the influencer marketing landscape of APAC.
Yes. Thank you.